Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to charge a Philips Series 9000 trimmer. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have a Philips Series 9000 trimmer, and I'm going to show you how to charge this unit right here. Really easy to do. So essentially inside of your box, you should have got the trimmer and you should have got a charging cable, along with a whole bunch of other things like a carrying case and some other guards and trimming pieces and so forth. But all that you need for this is the trimmer and the charging cable plus an additional piece, potentially, which I will tell you about momentarily. Okay, so essentially on the bottom of the trimmer, there's a port over here. There's an opening. You're going to match up that opening with the charging cable. So this is only going to go in one direction, in one orientation. I'm trying to put it in this way. It's not working, so that's wrong. I'm going to spin it around, and it should go in nice and easily, just like that. Okay, I've now plugged the charging cable into the trimmer. Now on the other end of the charging cable is a USB port. Okay, a USB port. Now, some people have special types of plugs and devices that have built-in USB charging things. That's one thing, but I'm going to show you, if you have a built-in USB charging thing and it's rated at the right wattage and it's rated at the right power output and so forth, then you could probably try that out. But, you know, make sure it's the correct rating for wattage and for electrical output and so forth. But honestly, your best bet is what I do. This is your best option. Like, you can try the built-in USB. Some people have like plugs on the wall. They have wall outlets with like built-in USB charging things. You can try that out. It might work. That's up to you. Use your own discretion, but you're gonna have to make sure it's the right power output, the right wattage, the right so forth. But you can use your own discretion, and you can try that if you want to. But I do not recommend that. I instead recommend something else. I recommend just getting a plain and simple USB power brick, just like this one over here, and then just plugging the USB end to that. And then you take this power brick and you plug it into a regular wall outlet, okay? That's what I recommend. This setup right here, okay? You got the Philips Series 9000 trimmer, you got the charging cable plugged into it, and then at the other end of the charging cable, you have it plugged into a USB power brick, and then this goes into a wall outlet, plain and simple. That's what I do. That's what I recommend. That's what I would advise that you do. It's sort of I would say just a better method for charging it, in my opinion. But like I said, you can use your own discretion. Just make sure whatever you're doing, whether it's a built-in USB power outlet inside your like wall outlet or inside like a charging station or something like that, or whether it's a USB power brick like this, make sure it is outputting the right output. Make sure it's rated at the right wattage. Make sure it sort of follows all of the right regulations. Make sure it's reliable. Make sure it's reputable and so forth. Okay, just make sure it's a good thing that works with the actual recommendations and requirements of the actual trimmer. But that's it. That's how to charge it. Very simple and straightforward. I'll show you one last time. You got your trimmer, you plug in your charging cable to your trimmer. On the other end of your charging cable, you got a USB, you plug it into a USB power brick, just like that. And then you take this whole setup and you plug in the USB power brick to the wall outlet to give it power. That's how to charge it. It's that easy. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.